talk to kids from different places, but you are very good, very smart. So yesterday you asked me the question, asked my opinion, कि what is the most important invention, है ना? तो हर एक ने यहाँ पर अपनी राय दी थी. And then somebody pointed a gun at me and said, "Batao, batao, batao. What is the most important invention?" So I couldn't give you an answer then, but I've been thinking about it, and I think agriculture. So you are happy about this, because if we didn't have agriculture, then we'd be all starving. फिर तो हमारे पास कुछ खाने पीने का होता नहीं. फिर कभी गर्मियों में फल आ जाते दरख्तों पर तो वो हम खा लेते, लेकिन फिर बाकी वक्त हम क्या करते. So I have thought about this, and I mean, you said fire.
Yeah.
And fire is okay. I mean, I don't want to eat raw meat, but still, I think there's agriculture. It gives you food all year round.
Yeah, but counterpoint, without fire, Homo sapiens won't exist. Yeah, fun fact.
Without fire, Homo sapiens won't exist. Why?
Fire was first attained by Neanderthals, I think. They started using it, and after eating raw meat,
ये
our
दे
brains
दो
were able to
Mike.
develop.
Mike.
Only after it.
Look, but the first thing is to eat. Fire comes later. I mean, I like my tea warm, hot. नहीं, सेकंड मोस्ट में नहीं आएंगे, सेकंड में बहुत ज़्यादा है. एंड वी हैव टू गेट ऑन. मैंने कहा ना कि मेरे पास 4, 5, 6 सवाल हैं. कल तो हम सिर्फ एक ही कर सके. Okay, today we've got to do at least 2. So I'm going to ask you, and this time we will begin this way. We'll begin from Hania, and then we'll go around, and then we'll come to you, and then you can give your opinion. Acha, I want you to give me an answer on whether aliens exist. No, मुझे वजह भी बतानी है, and I want your opinion and your considered opinion. Aliens को उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं? खलाई मखलूक. बिल्कुल. तो क्या ये एलियंस, ये जो बाहर से आई हुई चीज है, मखलूक है, लोग कहते हैं ना कि द पिरामिड्स वर मेड बाय एलियंस. Easily, but I'll tell you why. Okay, you have an opinion, but वो कहते हैं कि इतने बड़े पत्थर उस जमाने में तो कोई उठा ही नहीं सकता था, उनको इस तरह से लेवल कोई नहीं कर सकता था, तो जाहिर है कि कोई बाहर से आए हुए लोग होंगे जिन्होंने ये सब कुछ किया. सो देयर आर एलियंस. या फिर वो कहते हैं कि तुम लोगों ने बर्म्यूडा ट्रायंगल का तो सुना होगा ना. उधर क्या होता है? एयरप्लेन्स डिसअपियर ओवर देयर. राइट. सो वो कहते हैं कि देखो, ये जो जहाज गायब हो जाते हैं, जरूर कोई बाहर से आई हुई मखलूक होगी जो उनको ऐसे उड़ा देती है, छुपा देती है. एंड you know there are 10, 20 other reasons that they give. फिर वो कहते हैं, जो लोग इसमें यकीन रखते हैं, वो कहते हैं कि I saw a very strange object in the sky. It was flying like this, and it was spinning, and it was a disc that was going around, and it was emitting light. So आजो. So definitely there have to be aliens, they say. So I am going to ask each one of you whether you think they actually exist or they don't, and then we'll move on to the next question. अच्छा, तो let's start from here. हाँ, माइक नहीं वो दूसरा, वो उधर जो पड़ा हुआ है. हाँ.
Honestly, I think there would be aliens because like different habitats would have like cause them to have mutations in their DNA and number of chromosomes causing them to have like different characteristics. So just making them different from Homo sapiens.
Okay. Any comment on that from anyone? अच्छा, फिर से कहो क्यों मुझे लगता कि समझा नहीं, फिर से कहो.
Like I think aliens could exist because like if they're living on any other planet that would have a different habitat from Earth, that would cause them to have mutations in their DNA and the number of chromosomes, and thus causing them to be different from Homo sapiens.
हाँ, अच्छा.
What's an alien again?
What's an alien? Alien जो इस दुनिया का नहीं है.
So basically, a single set organism on the planet is also an alien.
अरे यार, वो तुमने कॉमिक बुक्स नहीं पढ़े हैं? एलियंस, हाँ, वो इतनी जो मूवीज होती हैं वो.
Good definition. Yeah, I do know.
अच्छा, अब ये डेफिनेशन में लग गया. अच्छा, ओके. सो डिफाइन एन एलियन फॉर हिम.
Alien is also used in like very different from humans.
सो चलो उधर दो. हाँ हाँ.
Alien is the basic definition is an alien that an alien is an organism that derives from a planet other than Earth.
Acha. So he's saying an alien comes from a planet which is not Earth.
Yeah.
Not, not true?
He said Neptune. The planet.
Oh, Neptune. Acha. I thought he said not true. Neptune. No, I don't think it can come from Neptune because why can it not come from Neptune? Because it's a gas planet. So Neptune is just gas, and so there probably will not be life on it. Huh? Oh yeah. But that's true. Neptune is very fluid. Yes, ice planet. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. Good. So it's too cold actually. Well, Pluto would be still colder. But Pluto is not a planet anymore. हाँ.
इस साइड वाले ये वाला
अच्छा.
साइड यूज कर लो, ये मुझे दे दो. इस साइड वाले
अच्छा.
ये इसको दे दो,
अच्छा.
ये इस साइड.
Okay. So we had that covered. Okay. Next you. उसमें. हाँ. Do you think aliens exist?
Yes, I think.
Why do you think?
Because on Saturn, the moons have eyes, and I think so.
Because?
Saturn moons are made up of ice, so.
नहीं देखो, aliens we just heard they could come from other planets. They could what would an alien look like? उसकी शक्ल सूरत क्या होगी?
It could even be a single cell.
Or it would be like humans, who knows?
Yeah, he's too scientific. He says it's like a cell, but you know what we want are fearsome creatures, things.
Are you like an Alex? Or like an avatar?
like an avatar. Okay, ठीक. Or like him. ये देखो कैसे इसने शक्ल छुपाई हुई है.
He
Huh?
could be an
He
alien
could,
without his
you know,
face.
you could wear a horn on your head, and then you'd be an alien.
And another way an alien could look like is a rhino with two heads, or a dragon with a bird, which is
No talking. Yeah. Okay. So we heard that. Acha. Who wants to take it next? Huh. Acha.
I think this is not there would be no aliens because it's an imaginary thing.
So you think it is imaginary? Okay. Tell me how you imagine an alien, a really good one, so that you can make a comic book strip or a cartoon strip out of it.
Like it would have tentacles or two big eyes or one eye. and big one
Okay.
head.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Good. So, तुमको कुछ कहना है? हाँ, बोलो बोलो बोलो. हाँ. Yes.
Aliens look like not women and men's.
They don't look like men and women. Okay, good, good, good. So, right.
And they look like monsters.
I think that's a good answer. I think that's a good answer. Good. Okay, let's go to you. Ha. Do you think aliens exist?
No.
No. Okay, that's a very strong answer. Now let's go to you. हाँ, तुम क्या कहते हो?
Sir, I think that they would exist, but they wouldn't be anywhere close to Earth. Because if they would probably be in a completely different solar system, very far away from Earth. But also, they wouldn't be smart as us, because, as you know, in the Quran mentions, we are the superior creation of Allah, most superior.
Acha, Ashraful Makhluqat. हाँ, we are the most superior creations. Acha. So that I think. Acha. So if aliens come and they turn out to be smarter than us, then the Quran is wrong.
It can never be wrong, sir. Plus, if aliens wouldn't even be able to come, because what type of fuel allows you to go like how many, like 3 light years?
Okay, so I think you have very strong points over here. It's possible, but let's get your opinion on this.
I think aliens would exist since there are billions of galaxies in the universe, but at the same time, even if they did exist, they will be just so tiny and it's hard to find them. And aliens will be super rare. Like, I think they could be 1 billion miles away. Yeah.
Okay. हाँ, जल्दी से बताओ, क्योंकि जल्दी से बताओ उसमें. हाँ.
Also, one more thing, living organisms need like necessities like breathing. So then if there was an alien, okay, it would probably use a different gas for breathing, maybe, or the same gas. Because if it used a different gas, it would live anywhere, but there's no life forms on other planets. So maybe it could be that aliens need the same gas we breathe to live.
So you mean something other than oxygen?
Hydrogen? Methane?
Breathing hydrogen. Okay. We'll discuss that in a bit. Okay. हाँ भाई, तुम क्या कहते हो? है खलाई मखलूक के नहीं हो सकती है कि नहीं? अगर हो सकती है तो हमें अब तक नजर क्यों नहीं आई? क्या कहते हो? अपनी राय दो. बाद में दोगे? अच्छा, चलो. है?
I just remembered this. Sir, even if we wanted to go to another planet, like really far away, like in a completely different solar system, not our one,
हाँ.
okay, we would need a lot of energy to go there. For example, even if we put solar panels, it would just take too long because the sunlight takes so much time just to reach Neptune. And to Earth, it just takes 18 months.
Okay, yeah, okay. That's.
Go out of the solar system.
Then there's no.
There would be no light. But since Earth's like has an atmosphere like a blanket, it keeps all the heat and cold. So it's nominal temperature. But when when you're in the sunlight in space, you'll burn. When you're in the shade, you'll freeze.
Okay. I think you have. Okay, very good.
I think that aliens would exist in other planets such as Mars. They teleport from one place to another and they get energy from sunlight.
Okay, so teleportation, man.
Yeah.
We haven't done that on Earth as yet. तो बड़े फिर तेज होंगे कि उन्होंने ये चीजें सीख ली हुई हैं.
They don't want to see another species, so they are hidden in Mars. I think that they are in the core of Mars. They can live.
Acha, but we've been to Mars and there are no species over there. So now but that's, yeah, okay. Chalo.
I think aliens do exist because although scientists and astronauts have discovered many constellations and many planets, but a lot of the universe is still yet to be discovered. So in distant planets, aliens may exist.
In distant planets of the solar system or planets which
No,
go around
planets in
other stars?
In other stars.
Exoplanets.
Yes.
So you think there's a strong possibility
Yes.
there. Okay, good. Abdur Rahman, I'm going to give you a tougher question. Suppose aliens exist somewhere on these exoplanets outside. How would we communicate? What is the language by which we could understand each other? How would I say, ना उनको उर्दू आती है, ना इंग्लिश आती है, ना कोई इंसानी ज़बान, चाहे कोई भी नहीं, ये तो सारी इधर की ज़बानें हैं. तो how will we establish some kind of common ground with them?
Okay, I'm going to take two assumptions. One, these species are smart enough to understand, and second, these species are smart enough to develop their own sort of technologies, etc.
Translator.
No, not translators. For phones, etc. Our lower level of intelligence. Anyway, so for this, we're going to use maths because these constants are everywhere and they are recognizable by every species intelligent enough.
ठीक है. अच्छा, tell me which constants?
Pi.
हाँ तो अच्छा, okay.
Hubble constant, I guess, if they have discovered it.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
Mathematical facts.
ठीक है, बहुत मुनासिब. हाँ, तो right. So, what? So we'll agree on mathematical constants.
Yes.
We'll agree that 2 + 2 makes 4.
Yeah.
Okay. What else can we agree upon? देखो, एग्रीमेंट तुम लोग समझ रहे हो ना कि ज़रूरी क्यों है. अगर हम एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं और मैं एक लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल करता हूँ, गोल का मतलब क्या?
गोल का मतलब कोई चीज है, अदर लैंग्वेज.
एक ज़बान है जिसमें गोल का मतलब है राउंड. अच्छा, round? Yeah. It's so if I want to describe something that is round, how do I tell somebody?
Like this.
For that there's pictograms. You draw it. And if they have eyes, they see it and understand it.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay. So we will agree on geometrical shapes.
Geometrical shapes. Yeah.
और किस चीज पे हम एग्री कर सकते हैं?
We can agree on their soil, I suppose, soil composition.
No, their soil composition could be different.
No, their soil. Okay. Periodic table. Periodic, that's constant.
If they've discovered all the elements, okay.
Yeah. And otherwise, we could agree on structures, basic structures.
हाँ. अच्छा चलो अब यही सवाल मैं हाँ तुम लोगों से पूछता हूँ. खिजर और आदर्श, whoever wants to. So मेरा सवाल ये है. We assume that there are aliens. So what is the things, what can we agree upon so that we have a common language? So geometry, कोई चीज गोल है, कोई स्क्वायर है, कोई ट्रायंगल है, वो तो ठीक है.
Sign language maybe.
हाँ?
Sign language.
साइन लैंग्वेज. लेकिन देखो उनके ना हाथ है ना पैर है, या शायद हाथ है पैर है और बहुत सारे हैं, तो we don't know.
Or maybe they're only brains.
They're only brains.
Yes, brains in something else. In robotic body parts.
Only brains. Do you have any ideas on this? Any? No? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Mic do.
Sir, it took a long time for Earth to develop life on it. So what if like Mars just takes a long time to develop life on it?
Very good question. हाँ, इधर तो बहुत वक्त लगा जमीन पर जिंदगी पैदा होने में. वो जो पूरा इर्तिकाई सिलसिला है अरबों सालों पर मोहित है ना. तो क्या ये मार्स पर हो सकता है? What do you say? Anyone over here? Is it possible? Okay. Either let's hear an answer from here. दे दो. Yeah. तो बताओ ना क्यों. पहले तो बताना होगा कि.
Can you say it one more time?
No, he asked, is it possible that life will develop on Mars after a very long time? It took a long time.
Yes, it could.
Maybe.
बोलो. हाँ बोलो.
Maybe. Sir, human developed transporters, they developed phones, they made schools. So obviously, Mars could be like Earth too, but much better.
Okay.
But then humans will get sick of Mars. They will go in another planet, then in another. They don't get tired.
Any opinions on this question raised over here that it will take a long time to make life on Mars?
No, that could be true that life on Mars could be real because Mars used to be greener.
Used to be cleaner. Greener. Acha, actually there is some truth in what you say. क्योंकि मार्स को देखो ना तो मार्स की सतह के ऊपर ऐसे लगता है कि पानी कभी बहता था. ये उधर जैसे जमीन पर ना खुश्क दरियाएं दिखाई देते तो मार्स पर भी दिखाई देता. And do you know something very important? Mars has water. Mars has ice. It has two kinds of ice. One ice is carbon dioxide ice, जिसको dry ice कहते हैं. हाँ. एक पानी वाली बर्फ है. So if is that important? Is that useful to have? Yeah. Okay. Let's hear. हाँ बोलो.
I think aliens are real because there have been strange discoveries on Earth. I think aliens can be small, less than a millimeter and less than an ant. And I sometimes think they can be 9 feet to 10 feet and maybe they can be bigger than a whale.
Wow. Okay. So your imagination goes from less than 1 millimeter to 9 meters. Wow, kya baat hai. But that's good. So you said monsters?
9 feet.
I think aliens like could exist on Mars because someone said that aliens they don't need like stuff like we need. Like the aliens are different than us. Like maybe they don't need oxygen to breathe. Maybe they like breathe others. Like
Now, humans have been looking for alien life for quite some time, but they were looking for the elements we need. What if the aliens need other elements to survive on?
That's good. Any addition, comment? No? Do you think aliens exist?
yes,
Yes. Okay.
I could not think that alien exist.
If they don't.
They don't.
They don't. Acha.
I think aliens could have existed in the past. You see, after the Big Bang, everything was very, very hot, but eventually it started cooling down, and there must have been a point where the entire universe, its temperature was near 30 degrees Celsius or 20 degrees Celsius, and that temperature is perfect for water and life. So there could have been that. Like during that time where it was the temperature was constant, the alien life could have been developed like very small, the basic elements of alien life, but after it started cooling down, they could have just died out.
Acha. So I am going to wrap up this question and go to the next question. But yes, but we will.
I was saying if cockroaches survived the Big Bang, how aliens couldn't survive?
क्या फिर से कहो?
How did insects survive it and aliens can't?
Oh, how did cockroaches survive the Big Bang? Lovely. यार उसमें cockroaches थे ही नहीं ना, cockroaches तो बाद. यार देखो Big Bang से पहले cockroaches नहीं हो सकते. होते. अच्छा.
He's talking about the asteroid here.
Yes.
Yeah, but you know the Big Bang came at the very, very, very beginning.
Yes.
So you couldn't have cockroaches.
No, it didn't. It came in the beginning. It came in the Jurassic.
Jurassic era. हाँ तो या हाँ.
जब हम मार्स पर जाते हैं तो हमें ठंड लगती है.
हाँ और जबरदस्त ठंड. देखो तुम जब जाओगे ना तो गर्म कपड़े पहन कर जाना. तो वैसे पता है अगर तुम गए वापस नहीं आ सकोगे. जाना है? नहीं जाना. अच्छा डर हाँ बताओ.
Sir, this could be one thing. Sir, you know how Earth usually has trash on it, and then like water starts running low and fresh water. Okay, good. So, what if this was done the same with Mars, but just for a longer, but just quicker, where the water ran out very fast, and then there used to be life forms on it, which died out because lack of water and scarcity of food.
Okay, so I am going to wrap up this question, but first I will tell you a little bit. ये जो तुम लोगों ने सवाल किए ना कि जिंदगी क्या हो सकती थी मार्स पे या दूसरे प्लैनेट्स पर, आंसर इज बिल्कुल पॉसिबल है. इसलिए कि ज़मीन पर जिंदगी यूं शुरू हुई कि पहले सिर्फ हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, मीथेन ऐसे एलिमेंट्स थे. तो जो सूरज की गर्मी थी उसकी वजह से ये एटम्स जुड़ने लगे, इनसे मॉलिक्यूल्स बने, मॉलिक्यूल से फिर एमिनो एसिड्स बने, अमीनो एसिड से फिर प्रोटीन्स बने और इस तरह से डीएनए आखिर बना। इसको लोग स्टडी करते हैं, मोलेकुलर बायोलॉजी का एरिया आ जाता है कि हाउ द डीएनए केम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस। डीएनए की वजह से फिर मल्टीसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स बन सके ना, हम भी तो मल्टीसेल्युलर हैं। अच्छा, अब ऐसे है कि दूसरे प्लैनेट्स के ऊपर, नॉट मार्स, अच्छा मार्स पे देखो मसला ये है कि मार्स डजंट हैव द राइट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ थिंग्स। उधर चलो पानी था और अब भी कुछ है, लेकिन उधर वो एलिमेंट्स नहीं थे जो जमीन के ऊपर हैं, और हो सकता था कि कोई जानदार उधर बन सकते, लेकिन बने नहीं। जो हमारे स्पेसक्राफ्ट वहां गए ना, उन्होंने ये देखा हुआ। अच्छा, but is it possible on other planets? The answer is yes, it is possible, which doesn't mean that it has happened. And so these creatures can possibly exist. ये जो खलाई मखलूक है, हो सकता है कि हो, लेकिन हमने कभी देखा नहीं है। अच्छा,
If we see it, we will chop, the scientists will chop it into little tiny pieces.
अच्छा देखो, we don't know the form that aliens will take. We are not saying that they're there, and we are not saying that they cannot be there. They can be there. It is possible. हाँ बोलो।
But like if alien let's take for example alien life exists, we go on that planet and find it, but what if it is a plant based alien life? What would we do with that? It just stand there and do nothing. What could we do with that alien?
It's not a question of what you can do with it. They can ask the question, what can they do with you? So that's not the point. The point is, the question was, can there be life other than the life that there is on planet Earth? Yes. And so we should have an open mind on that, because there is a scientific reason for that life to exist.
Sir? Everybody was talking about Mars, but they weren't. Everybody was talking about Mars, but not the other universe. We have our own universe, and maybe there are other aliens in other universes, and they are keeping an eye on us for what we see, like an insect, like an animal, like flies. Why are they even here? They can be little fly cams for them. They keep an eye on us, and they must know our scientists don't like the other new species. They want to discover it. They want to see what's inside them. So maybe they're in undercover, so they don't tell us.
No. देखो, ये जो है ना, this is a conspiracy theory that you're talking about, कि वो कहीं छुप कर हमें देख रहे हैं, ऐसे नहीं। That हमें देखो, हमें इस चीज के ऊपर रिलाय करना चाहिए कि हम जो चीज देख सकते हैं, फील कर सकते हैं, सूंघ सकते हैं, ये वो चीजें हैं जो टेस्ट, the 5 senses, 6 senses, whatever. अच्छा, तो there are no other universes. There is only one universe. उस यूनिवर्स के अंदर सब कुछ मौजूद है. Don't talk of there being other universes, because there is no other universe. The universe is by definition everything. Okay, now I am going to go to a different question. अब इसका वक्त पूरा हो गया, ठीक है? अब हमारे पास कितना वक्त रह गया? अरे यार, हम इतने इतना तेजी से वक्त गुजर रहा है यहाँ पे.
Sir, I
So-
know we wasted your time.
नहीं, we are. But I have a very important question to ask you. ये इधर कर दो बीच में, इस माइक में. हाँ, देखो दुनिया में बहुत खराबियां हैं, है ना? तरह तरह की खराबियां हैं. अनकाउंटेबल, बिल्कुल सही कहा तुमने. कहीं जंग हो रही है, कहीं फाका है, कहीं आग लग रही है, कहीं तूफान आ रहे हैं. अच्छा, नेचुरल, ठीक है. लेकिन कहीं इंसान के ऊपर जुल्म भी कर रहा है, कहीं लोग बीमार हैं, कहीं नेचुरल. हाँ, अननेचुरल भी होता है ना, हम एक दूसरे को बीमार भी तो कर देते हैं. अरे यार ठहरो ना. हाँ, तो दुनिया में बहुत सी खराबी है. किसी के घर में आग लगी है, ठीक है. बहुत अच्छा कहा. अच्छा, लेकिन फिर ऐसे भी है ना कि कुछ बहुत बड़े मुल्क हैं जो छोटे मुल्कों के ऊपर जुल्म करते हैं. चलो आएंगे उसकी तरफ. हाँ, ओके, अच्छा. फिर ये देखो कि दुनिया, अरे यार चुप करो ना. हाँ. देखो, हम जितना पैसा खर्च करते हैं वेपन्स, असलाह के ऊपर, बहुत, हाँ, ड्रग्स भी हैं, हम बहुत पैसा खर्च करते हैं ऑन दीज यूजलेस थिंग्स. अच्छा, फिर बच्चे जो है वो आइसक्रीम खाते हैं, जबकि आइसक्रीम से कोई फायदा नहीं होता. वो भी तो एक खराबी है ना. अच्छा, तो अब मैं तुमसे ये सवाल कर रहा हूं कि सपोज you had the power to fix one thing, only one thing, what would you fix? And I'm going to go around and go one by one, and you're going to give me the reason, and I'm going to start from here. ये mic दो मुझे. What would you fix? The one thing. तुम्हें जादू की छड़ी मिली है या कोई बोतल का जिन मिला है जो ये सारे काम कर लेता.
I would want to fix people like fighting because, you know.
Okay, so what kind of fighting? ये भी तो आपस में लड़ते हैं ना कभी-कभी. ये भाई हैं लेकिन आपस में लड़ते हैं. You want to fix that?
Yes.
You want to fix that?
Yes, and others, and wars, and like other countries fighting, like over small countries.
Okay.
I would fix like bad people, because all of these problems are coming from the people who do harm or are drug addicts or like have bad habits.
So you want to fix bad people. Do you want to put them in jail? अच्छा, कैसे फिक्स करोगी? थोड़ा सा ये बताओ.
आपने कहा था जादू ही, तो जादू से कुछ भी हो सकता है.
अच्छा, ठीक.
Every good person would grab a hammer and hit every bad person.
ओहो, तशद्दुद ना. आप कोई पुरमन हाल निकालो इसका.
I want to fix fights and wars.
You want to stop fights and wars. Okay, good.
I want to stop animal extinction. I was about to say that.
So what do you want to do?
I'm going to save the animals, put them in a nice and cozy cage. You know, the cage in a big habitat like the savannah. And nobody could come here unless me.
Okay, lovely.
Not cruelty. I'm not going to keep them in a cage. I'm going to keep them in the savannah freely. And if anybody comes, I'm going to tranquilize them. No, I didn't.
Acha, how will you save the
Lies.
How will you save the polar bears? ना वो तो सवाना में नहीं रहेंगे ना.
Antarctica?
Yeah. Okay. Right. So you have to give me one thing for fixing the world.
I want to fix the wars and the fights between the countries.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. तो मुल्कों के बीच में लड़ाई कैसे बंद कराओगे? Any ideas on that? बात तो अच्छी है, बात बहुत ठीक है तुम्हारी. How will you stop the fights between countries? नहीं नहीं, मैजिक तो है ना यार, मगर वो जिन जो जिन आएगा, जो बोतल से निकलेगा, वो पूछेगा कि साहब मैं ये कैसे करूं, आप बताएं तो मुझे. हाँ.
It's his job, not ours.
अरे यार इतना
Don't gymnies give 3 wishes? Which kind of gymnast is this?
अच्छा, so let's move on. His desire to stop fights between countries. What will you tell the jinn? हाँ, ऊपर करो ना, माइक ऊपर करो. हाँ.
If two countries start a war between each other, they just suddenly get a magic spell in their head and they just stop fighting. That's all.
And what?
If two countries start fighting, they just get a magic spell in their head and they just stop fighting.
ना यार, इससे मजा नहीं आया. अब्दुल रहमान तुम बताओ.
My pass.
It's such a perfectly good suggestion to stop wars, but nobody is telling the jinn what to do, how to stop the wars. I mean,
Okay, I answer how to stop the wars.
yeah.
Take away freedom.
Take
All
away.
of these solutions require some form of limiting freedom. So if you remove their freedom to fight,
Yeah, but who will stop the fighting? अच्छा, तुम दो के बीच में लड़ाई हो गई, तो फिर उसको कैसे रोकेंगे?
Okay.
मैं रोकूंगा ना, या ये रोकेगा? हाँ?
Or B, you make them fear so hard. You could set a very, very strict example. Punish some people very, very bad so far that creates fear in everyone. It's a very dystopian answer, but it's the only one I can think of.
यार ये मजा नहीं आया. अच्छा, so you have an answer to this?
Nuke every military base.
Both. Very bad answer. हाँ. अच्छा देखो, मैं तुम लोगों को एक हिंट दे रहा हूं कि दो लोगों के बीच में लड़ाई होती है, तो उस लड़ाई को कैसे रोका जाए? How will you stop two people from fighting?
I think we can align the governments together.
No, sir.
Okay, so get the two governments together.
And don't.
Yes.
Who will get the governments together?
The jinn.
अच्छा चलो जिन. ओके ठीक है. हाँ. Yes.
Punish them.
अरे यार punish, लेकिन does anyone have a better idea? हाँ.
First, understand the situation.
First understand the situation. Okay. Who should understand the situation?
The person.
Acha, by the way, have you heard of the United Nations? Yes. So can you think of how the United Nations can be useful in such a situation? तुम लोगों ने कहा ना, सभी ने कहा कि मुल्कों के बीच में लड़ाइयाँ बंद करानी है. तो वो कौन बंद कराएगा? It has to be something powerful, smart, intelligent. That's the same as smart. Yes. अच्छा आगे क्या कह रही हो?
first we need to know that on which topic they are fighting and understand the situation.
Okay, so you have to understand the facts of the situation कि वो आपस में क्यों लड़ रहे हैं. ठीक है. तुमने अभी बताया ना कि इसराइल और गजा का है. गजा जो भी है. हाँ हाँ. So how will you stop that fighting? If the United Nations,
If they don't become united, then the one who's doing the bad, they're gonna get destroyed by everything.
They both are
अच्छा देखो इसमें ये है कि what we are all thinking of, but you guys are not putting it through properly. हाँ ये दे दो. हाँ.
You could ask the genie for a time machine and stop the person who made the atomic bomb.
लेकिन the atomic bomb is not going to end the fighting in Palestine.
Sir, I have a moral idea.
हाँ.
Sir, countries fight on one thing, which is like resources. Yes. So then I would just ask the jinn to make everything infinite.
ओ बाबा ये तो यार तुम बहुत ही बड़ा काम ये नहीं. जिन पता है क्या कहेगा. वो कहेगा देखो तुमने इतना मुश्किल काम दिया मैं तो जा रहा हूँ सलाम अलैकुम चला जाएगा वहां से. नहीं वो नहीं होगा. वो नहीं चलेगा. डिवाइड द रिसोर्सेज. अच्छा लेकिन करेगा कौन ना. मेरा सवाल तुम सबसे
The jinn.
देखो.
Okay.
हाँ तुम क्या कह रही हो.
Wait. You know one of those things where you shake the genie bottle. I'd do that. Then the genie come out. Now I have 3 wishes. I'd make everything infinite.
But you have to work within the possible. हर चीज को तो आप infinite नहीं कर सकते ना.
If you said we have the magic wand, we can do anything.
Yeah, but your magic wand doesn't have infinite powers. You can't do everything about it with it. You have to do what is. You can only do what is possible. अच्छा अब इसको दो mic. हाँ.
They become fight because they want to become king of whole world.
हाँ. So somebody has to stop that.
And they
अच्छा मैं फिर इस बात पे आता हूँ. 2 लोगों के बीच में लड़ाई होती है. तीसरा जो आएगा उसको उन दोनों को अलग करेगा और कहेगा कि तुम सही हो तुम गलत हो. तुम्हें ये मिलना चाहिए तुमको वो मिलना चाहिए. फैसला मैं करूंगा. मैं जो बाहर से आता हूँ. अच्छा तो यहाँ बात आती है. हाँ
दूसरा वाला कहेगा कि मुझे क्यों कह रहे हो.
No, but you see, you can. Suppose there's a question of how much water is this country to get and how much water is that country to get. No, it could be a big country and a small country, so the big country should get more water. So who will decide? It should be many countries who are not connected with the problem, and they should ideally decide. है ना. तो यूनाइटेड नेशंस तो इसी मकसद से बना था. हाँ बोलो.
dance them to exhaustion. Nothing.
अच्छा हाँ हाँ. So what I'm saying is a world government could stop the fighting between countries. अच्छा अब हम अपने ओरिजिनल सवाल से भटक गए. मेरा भटकना मतलब ये कि हम we've deviated from. So my question which I've put before everyone and which now I want answers from anyone who hasn't responded. What is the one thing you would do to make the world a better place?
Make everything renewable.
Sir,
Okay, so it's yours.
Get rid of chemicals.
Free from chemicals. What sort of chemicals?
Carbohydrates, smoke fuels from the factories, drugs, and obviously the trashes. There's one country in the world that is filled with trash that you can see in the space, so obviously we could save that.
Okay, so he is saying that we need a cleaner world, a world with no pollution, where there are no chemicals in the soil, where everything is nice and clean, and so he is an environmentalist. Acha, anyone who, what is the one thing that you want to do? What is the one thing that will make the world a better place?
Stop illiteracy.
Stop illiteracy. देखो ये जो जिनके हवाले काम कर रहा है ना, ये इतना मुश्किल तो है, लेकिन ठीक है, हो सकता। अच्छा, तो मुझे ये बताओ कि इलिटरेसी खत्म करने से क्या होगा?
Everybody will have a better point of view about the world and how they could fix it all together.
Okay, so people will be more educated, they will be able to make more informed decisions, and that is very sensible. So you're actually calling for better education. ये जो लिटरेसी वैसी जैसी चीज़ है ना, अच्छा एक बात मैं तुम्हें बताऊं, पहले पाकिस्तान में लोग कम पढ़े लिखे होते थे, जो इलिटरेसी होती थी, शराय ख़वानदगी जिसको कहते हैं, दैट वाज 8%. लिटरेसी वाज 8%, अब 60% है। लेकिन उसके बावजूद हम एक दूसरे से ज्यादा लड़ते हैं। तो सिर्फ लिटरेसी काफी नहीं है, एजुकेशन, और सही अच्छी एजुकेशन, ये वो एजुकेशन है जो फिर ना हम एक दूसरे की कदर करें, एक दूसरे से प्यार करें, वो अच्छी एजुकेशन होती है। सिर्फ पढ़ना लिखना काफी नहीं होता। हाँ बोलो। Yours.
I think to fix people, humans are the causes of deforestation, global warming, air pollution, land pollution, water pollution, and so we need to fix humans. Otherwise, get rid of them. Lesser the people.
Allah, ये तुमने क्या कहा? ना ये ना okay.
Take yourself and all of us.
Yeah, I'll stay in the world. You lol.
कि और सब मारे जाएं, सिर्फ तुम रह जाओ।
Maybe. Lesser the people, better the world.
The fewer people, the better the world. How many people agree with this? Do you agree with her? She is saying कि जितने कम लोग होंगे दुनिया में उतना ही बेहतर. Who agrees with this?
The more, the better.
The more, the better. यार,
If humans did disappear from the world, but if everything would become here, like coral reefs. But if only
इसको माइक दो। अच्छा, हाँ बोलो।
But only if like those humans who do bad things to the world disappeared, then and only the good people are there, then everything would heal faster.
अच्छा, तो okay, so you want more good people and fewer bad people.
Yes.
And actually that's what she said also, but okay.
Sir,
लेकिन
also,
here's,
sir, also everything should be renewable, not like non-renewable, because wars and everything else happen because of non-renewable materials. But if they were just renewable materials, for example, if everything was relied on solar panels, solar energy, wind energy, these things are renewable. They can be created infinitely.
Okay, that's a good point, and I think that so the one thing that you would do would be to make all usables renewables. That's the thing that you are suggesting.
Yes.
Okay. अब माइक दे दो. हाँ. कोई yeah.
If there were less people, then like people will need less resources. That means like people won't cut that much trees, so like there won't be like that much deforestation, and like there won't be more water pollution, and yeah.
Very good, very good. By the way, let me tell you how fast humans can multiply. देखो 25 साल में अगर पॉपुलेशन डबल होती है तो फर्ज करो कि इस वक्त 100 मिलियन है, नहीं कम है, 250 मिलियन है पाकिस्तान की, 250 मिलियन. हाँ, मिलियन यार, बिलियन नहीं, मिलियन है. हाँ. अच्छा, in 25 years it'll be 250 million. It'll be 500 million. Another 25 years, 1,000 million. 1,000 million is 1 billion. Then it'll be 2 billion, 4 billion, 8 billion. 8 billion is the present population of the entire world. तो देखो 8 बिलियन हो जाएगी ना. हाँ, तो इतना अगर इतनी पॉपुलेशन हो गई तो पता है यहाँ बैठने की जगह नहीं होगी, हम हाथ यूं आगे फैला भी नहीं सकेंगे. कैन यू इमेजिन द अमाउंट ऑफ, सुबह क्या होता, पूप. You know how much poop will be produced by 8? Yes. It will be, oh, you can't imagine. So what are you, how are you going to ever handle that? So you've got to cap the population. Very, very important.
The more the population increase, like there would be more illiterate people and
So he's absolutely right. देखो यार तुम बहुत ज़हीन आदमी हो. He's saying the more people there will be, the more illiterates there'll be. There'll be so many billions of people who won't be able to read, write, and they won't be able to go to school because you can't create billions and billions of schools. So, any last words? I think we've all. What's your last word?
Bible.
You
said any last words.
Have the last word.
I couldn't.
All right.
No,
you've said your last word.
Sir,
Last words?
Sir, what's your opinion?
Any last words?
Sir?
Yeah.
My last word about what? About any. I don't have any last words. That's my last word.
तो अब
Sir, what's your opinion?
जिन आ गया उसने सब तुम्हारी बातें सुन ली. अब उसकी मर्जी है कि वो किस बात को माने और किसको ना माने. So we'll end on that.